Minigames is a platform designed to accommodate more than 3 players, and it operates effectively. Please provide your ideas and suggestions for upcoming minigames. What themes, mechanics, or styles would you like to see? Consider incorporating elements such as unique challenges, engaging storylines, or innovative gameplay features. Your feedback will help shape the future of minigames. Create interactive games using languages such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. The platform allows for quick file attachments and the publication of your game to reach a wider audience. To feature your game on Discover, provide important details including your name, a representative icon, version number, game type, a brief description of its features, and an appealing thumbnail. Please note that unpublishing or saving your game as a draft will prevent it from being visible on Discover. You have the option to establish friendships with other users. To do so, locate them in the Players section. If they are currently online or engaged in gameplay, select their profile. Subsequently, click on the Friend option, which will prompt a notification to appear on their screen indicating your request. The profile page allows you to update your profile picture and name, as well as claim your daily mini rewards. Additionally, you can view your published games, making it easy to identify which ones belong to you. The admin page is only accessible if the owner designates you as the new admin. Please be mindful of your actions. If you overstep, the owner of minigames may revert your status to a regular user, resulting in the loss of admin privileges. It's important to proceed with caution and avoid any mistakes. The Events and Updates pages, while similar in design, fulfill distinct functions. The Events page provides users with the capability to organize events contingent upon having a minimum of 100 followers. Conversely, the Updates page is dedicated to showcasing existing updates. You can customize the minigames on the Settings page. This page allows you to change the background theme, view your achievements and profile, and adjust the language. However, can you find the secret Advanced Settings page? I won't reveal the answer. And the last thing, Leaderboard. The Leaderboard page provides an overview of user performance across various games. Here, you can view individual levels in one line, track wins in tic-tac-toe, see the number of blocks stacked in stacked blocks, and check XP ratings for each user. This feature allows users to compare their achievements and engage in friendly competition. And that's all for now. Bye.